So in this video, we're going to review the OERPUB editor. So this is an open education resource publishing editor, which basically you can author textbooks or edit educational resources through this editor. So we just wanted to give you an update on our progress and show you some of the features we've inputted into our editor. So first you can see this upper toolbar. It basically has where you can save and preview your document and the undo and redo button. You can also play with the text, whether you want to make it into a section heading, subsection heading, or sub-subsection heading. Then you have your typical bolding, italicizing, underline, superscript, and subscript. You can do that through there, and then you can also do some of the underlining through here as well. If you want to emphasize, you can do bold, italics, and underlining through here. Next, there's a link button. So if you want to add a link to something, you can highlight or simply click the link button. Then you can input text to display, or if you highlight it, the text will display up there automatically. Then it gives you the option to link to a web page or link to another part of the document. So you can test the link and then it'll bring up a new page showing you the link you inputted, or you can link to another part of your document. So it'll show you either section headings or exercises if you wanted to link to one of those. So next you can see bulleting and numbering. You can change the numbering through here as well. Say you wanted to do steps or do Roman numbering. You can adjust the indents up here as well. So next we have tables. As you can see, I've already inputted a table down here. All you need to do is click on the table button, and then you can sort of draw a table as big as you want or as big as you need. And then through there, once you're in the table, you can adjust options such as adding a new row or column, deleting them as well, and then you can access more table options such as the borders, or if you wanted to create a custom table type, you can do that through there as well. So next we have pictures. I've already inputted a picture up here. All you have to do is click the upload image button, and then you can drag and drop an image in here, choose an image to upload from your computer or get an image from the web. Then it allows you to input a caption, and then you can describe it for someone who can't see it, so you input alt text here as well. So once you have that, you can click next and it'll allow you to source the image and get some good headlines and things like that. So next we have our math function. You can see some math inputted up here. Basically, math has a specific way of writing, so you couldn't write this in a typical keyboard. So therefore, you can use LaTeX or another kind of math, and therefore it'll show you a cheat sheet if you forget how to input these. But basically, it gives you the opportunity to write math as it should be written. So next we have these drag and drop options. So basically, when you want to include an example or exercise for your reader, just to draw their attention to a subject or to illustrate a point further, you can drag and drop these into your document. So basically, if you have your cursor somewhere, so say I want to put an example in here, a little blue dot will appear where your example is going to go if you just click on it, or you can drag and drop the example wherever you want and it'll sort of show where it's going to be. So I'll input one right here, but there's already a full example down below right here. Then we have exercises. So for the section quiz, I've dragged and dropped a few exercises in. Then there's an option to show or hide solutions as well. So if I want to hide the solution so a student can work through it, I can do it through there. Next is notes to readers. You can drag and drop this in the same way, as well as definitions and numbered equations. So I've already inputted some of these as well. So these are number equations, 1, 2, 3, and then there are several definitions in here as well. So once you drag and drop a definition in, you have the opportunity to enter the key term and then enter a definition. You can also move the definition to the glossary by clicking yes, I want to remove it, and then it catalogs them up here. And as you can see, all the examples I've dragged into my document are cataloged up here.